Hey guys, we're super excited to have you come along with us today as we test out the new FSD beta update 10.69.1.1. Here's a quick look at the screen. There it is. Before we head out, our dirty Tesla is going to have a little bath. It's part of the life of living on a dirt road. Hey guys, come join us today on our FSD beta drive with the new software update 10.69.1.1. Our drive today is going to be from Micmac Mall in Dartmouth to Alderney Landing in Dartmouth. Right here we are at the Enfield Big Stop and the Tesla Supercharger station. We made it to Micmac Mall in Dartmouth and we are heading to Alderney Landing now. Stay with me for the ups and downs of this drive. Hey guys, here we are and we are putting in FSD beta. Hold on. It says it's not gonna root us. So, rooting with no traffic data. So we actually apparently in the parking lot, because once again I do know that it doesn't do parking lots. We just have to get out onto...
In 200 meters, turn right onto Micmac Boulevard.
Have FSD. As you can see now, I'm going to click my controller twice and we're on. So the car just put the blinker on.
Now turn right onto Micmac Boulevard.
It has to get over one more lane and it's doing so. We are going to merge. Oh, it's a little... Oh, there we go. Perfect. Okay. This is perfect. All right, so we're heading down to Alderney Landing today, which is in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia, and we are starting from Micmac Mall.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Crichton Avenue.
Okay, so it's heading straight through this set of lights, which is green. That's perfect. There's not many cars on the road today.
Now turn left onto Crichton Avenue.
Turn left, okay. Okay, we got cars around us here. There's a car behind me. And the car auto steer creeping forward, okay. That's kind of interesting. Oh my gosh. The car that was coming from the left actually had their blinker on and I didn't see it. But I'm pretty sure the car did, so that's why it advanced and pulled out. All good. It's good. Now, that car, if you couldn't see that on the video, they were definitely over the line, but we were okay. So, I got the hands on the wheel, guys, but the car is driving itself. We are in FSD beta with the new software update, and we're going through Dartmouth, Nova Scotia from Micmac Mall to Alderney Landing. And we have right here, you can see the route. I'm gonna put this into full screen so you can keep your eye on the road with me and see what's going on. Again, I have hands on the wheel, but I am not driving. But for safety, that's what we're doing. So this is, whew. I gotta say, I'm still sometimes when I'm going through places that I haven't been in FSD beta, it's still a little nerve-wracking. So I'm gonna put the speed down a little bit. I'm gonna go down to 40 even though it says 50 because I just feel better that way. So far so good. We haven't really run into any big obstacles yet. And there's cars, a ton of cars on the side of the road, and there's a car backing up into a parking spot. This is amazing. It is over the line. If you are driving,
meters, turn right onto Alderney Street.
Alderney Street. If you're driving and you go over the line, the car is beeping and going crazy, saying, "Get over, get over." But the car itself knows to get over, and it has to go over the line.
Turn right onto Alderney Street.
Alderney Street. If you're from Dartmouth, Google obviously does not know how to pronounce Alderney Street. But, okay, this is a busy little spot here, and we are waiting for the traffic. I'm not sure what the cars in blue mean. That's, I think, new with the update. Okay. What are we doing here? No, we are not allowed to go straight. And I believe the car is going to attempt to go straight, but we're in a turning lane, guys. I'm going to take over here because this is not actually cool, and I'm in a turning lane. So I'm going to take off FSD, and I'm going to reroute myself here. For some reason, I don't know why that happened. So we're going to get a reroute. I'm going to put it back into FSD,
turn left onto Dahlia Street.
put it back down to 40, and see what happens. So that was clearly not cool. I'm not sure why we got into the right turning lane, but who knows. That's
now
why.
Turn left onto Dahlia Street.
Okay. Okay, we got a curb there. That was. Oh, we got a car coming, and the car is. Oh, it's kind of close for time, but you know what? Before, in the previous. Oh, this is hard. Okay, taking off, guys. Oh, the car did not slow down for that little bump in the
Now
road.
turn left onto Pine Street.
So as I was saying, the car used to really be hesitant coming out, creeping forward, checking visibility. Oh my, okay. It did fine. Before it would go,
In 200 meters,
This-
turn right onto Alderney Street.
it's definitely more smooth on the turns, but I still feel like it's it's not how I would drive, but it's getting there. Every update is just a better
Now
driving
turn right
experience.
onto Alderney Street.
Alderney Street. Is anybody tired of hearing how she's saying that? Okay, so here we are at a stop sign. I got my foot near the brake just because I'm not sure what's coming. No, it's perfect. There's people crossing the road. You could see them there and right there. The car could see those, so it just creeped out nicely there. I'd say that's pretty decent. We are just so far pretty good drive on the new update, except for that one right-hand turn error, but when we were
In 200
clearly going
meters,
straight.
turn left onto Alderney Drive. Then your destination will be on the right.
We are almost at our destination, guys, at Alderney Landing. This is where you can get the ferry in Dartmouth. This is where they have a lot of events that go on. Really neat little spot. So let's see. We got 2 lanes. We have.
Now turn left onto Alderney Drive.
I'm not sure why we're turning left because I would like to go straight, but we're just going to see where it's going to take us. Oh, it wants me to take me some underground parking maybe? I'm not sure, but I can tell you the parking that we usually park is down here. But I did type in Alderney Gate parking, so honestly I don't know. I would have gotten into the left, the right-hand lane to go straight. So I think what I'm going to do, just to be all good here, is I'm going to take it off FSD. And I'm going to head down to Alderney Landing, and because I just want to show you this beautiful spot in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. So there we go. We're going to wait for that. And also, not sure what. Oh, we're getting over because they're behind us. I actually thought. That was strange. I thought that they were coming from this direction, but they were actually behind me. So it's good to look around while you're waiting for that. And I honestly don't know how the car would have reacted in FSD. But anyway, that's why we're hands on the wheel. with the beta, and yeah, so here we are, Alderney Landing. We'll show you around. Check out this beautiful view of Halifax over there to the right, and on the left here as we zoom over, that is Dartmouth. This is the Halifax Harbor. There's the waterfront over there. Well, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed our video, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day.